morning, my fellow traveling economists. Today, me and Dad are going over to look at the beach while it's raining. Still spring break time, so there's still a lot of traffic and stuff. But it's a real rainy day today. It's just kind of and all wet and rainy. Whoop, whoop. There's Wonderworks. And there's Ripley's Believe It or Not.
A couple of people walking in the rain.
Yep, with their
towels.
Their towels on their heads. There's Parlor Donuts. They're packed right now.
We did some fun stuff with donuts in Panama City Beach.
Yep, one of our past videos we ranked all of the best donuts. Here's the surf style.
One of our favorite pizza places right over there.
Yep.
You can't see it right now, Mr. Maine's Pizza.
Yep, it's right behind that brown roofed building. There's the water. It is a yellow flag today. Yesterday it was a red flag all day, and now it's just a yellow. And there are some crazy folk down there.
Yeah, I think they're
sitting in the rain.
They look like they're fishing. I see a fishing pole.
Oh yeah, there might be.
A bunch of seagulls right over there. I don't know if you can see them.
Maybe. Yep, bunch of birds. Rain's starting to ease up a little bit more. It's still not done, but it's easing. Here's the new Margaritaville Resort.
They're building it right now.
Yep.
Gonna have a big swimming pool area, playgrounds,
cottages to stay at. Very neat, very neat. Okay, now we are headed straight back the way that we came, headed towards Thomas Drive. There's Sharkies. Okay guys, we just got done eating at Wendy's. We both got the $6 biggie bag and a side potato. So good. It was very good snack.
Loads you down with food, don't they?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. This Wendy's is really great because literally right across the street is a beach access. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna, Dad tried to kill us. Anyways, beach access right there.
It's number 24.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The car's not gonna start beeping at me.
Well, safety first.
Anyways, we're gonna keep riding now. The rain seems to have dulled down a whole lot more.
Ship, Treasure Island Marina. Treasure Ship used to be a restaurant that sat right here, and it burnt down in, I don't know, early 2000s.
Yeah.
And they just maintained the name of the area. But you can go over here and rent, do fishing charters and go out on the sea streamers. And then there's Island Times, I think it is. The big, huge sailboat catamaran.
Yep. Sure is. Okay guys, now we're over at the sports complex in Panama City Beach, where we have a new skate park that's being put in. So we're gonna look around. The fences and stuff are gone, so we're gonna get out and go look. So yeah, stay tuned. So there's a lot of benches. Yep, bathroom.
Oh, this is top notch.
Yeah, very big. Brand new too, oh, I'm excited.
This one makes the other one look like a dump.
Yeah, for real. Our other one's just a normal like wooden skate park. And to finally have a concrete park that should be done really soon is extremely nice. Oh look, you got the gap. Yes, that's so cool. Yeah, this is top notch. This thing is so cool. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I might have to come over here one day when it's dry and try to test it out early with the GoPro. Oh no! Froggy. And up here at the very top, there is a pool, like a full-sized deep pool that's probably like real deep, probably like 12 feet deep.
About 16 on that one side.
Oh, yeah. As you can tell, I'm bad with sizes and depths.
That's sweet.
Yeah, this is awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to come back and test it out one day when it's not raining. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Whoop, whoop.